Namaste. I am here getting you to a lesson in math, fractions and decimals to understand the value of interdependence in life. A fraction is represented by two numbers, one on top and the other at the bottom, separated by a line. The number on top is the numerator and the number below is the denominator. Example, 3 on 4, which basically means 3 parts out of 4, equal divisions. Fractions represent a part of a whole and it is expressed in the form of a numerator and a denominator. Decimal numbers are used to represent numbers that are smaller than the unit 1. Decimal number system is also known as the base 10 system, since each place value is denoted by a power of 10. Decimals are the numerical representation of fractions, where the denominator is a power of 10, like 10, 100, 1000, etc. A decimal number refers to a number consisting of the following two parts, integral part and fractional part. These both are separated by a decimal separator called the decimal point. We learn to relate fractions and decimals in real life situations. Here, one thing we shall notice is that interconnectedness between fractions and decimals, other than what we have studied in the previous class, sharing the precision for fraction and decimals also has to be understood. In essence, all is connected to other life because we all exist in the same space. We share the air we breathe, the sources of food we eat, the space we live in. Additionally, fractions can be expressed as decimals by performing the division of the ratio. How can we relate the value of interdependence through this? Fraction, we learnt that are part of the whole. Our body is complete with all organs, and so we can say it is as a whole. But the body organs are part of this whole, and body systems are interconnected and dependent on each other. Our heart, which is part of the circulatory system, does not beat unless our brain, which is part of our nervous system. Our skeletal system is dependent on our digestive system for increase in size and strength. Our family is whole, and that includes our parents, brothers and sisters and aunts and uncles. Without any of them not there, the family is not complete. Their participation in the family life is so very important to make it whole. What is entailed out of this all is that we depend on each other for existence. We cannot live alone in this world. So that brings us to the value of interdependence, and along with that comes the most beautiful value of tolerance, empathy, etc. Now try to answer the following questions. I'll be back.